Here we have a 2016 66 plate BMW 320D XDRIVE. Now with this vehicle you get 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels in grey. Now we do have the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind the LED headlights. We also have your black front kidney grills. We have your M Sport styling kit, so you get the black front splitter, side skirt extensions, rear boot spoiler and also a rear diffuser. We have your blacked out styling, so with the M kit we do have the black window trim with your privacy glass on the rear. We have your dual exhaust flush, the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. We also have your rear parking sensors, power release rear tailgate from a touch or a button on the key. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Go to the rear, I'll show you a quick look at the interior of this car. As you can see we do have the full Dakota leather throughout to the ISOFIX points, pull down armrests. We have your doors just here with your electric windows, integrated premium hard carbon speakers. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Very, very comfortable with extended thigh support. You have your electric windows, integrated Harman Kardon speakers just up there. You have your auto lights, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter. Screen just in the centre where you can see satellite navigation. You have your media connectivity, so you have your music collection. We also have CD, DVD, external devices where you do have your Bluetooth phone. You have your DAB radio just there as well. Bluetooth phone connectivity, different drive modes. So you do get your Eco Pro, Comfort, Sports and also Sports Plus. Park car into reverse, rear parking sensors just there. Dual zone climate control working exactly how you'd expect it to with your ice cold aircon. Storage tray just down here, pops open, 2 nice size cup holders. You've got the key just there and you've got the power release tailgate button just there. 12-volt connectivity, traction control on and off, different drive modes. This is what you use to control everything happens on your screen. Soft touch leather armrest, and there's a look at the passenger's front seat. And as the vehicle is available to take away today, free contactless nationwide next day delivery. HPI clear comes a fresh service, new MOT, and we offer competitive life finance. Thank you very much for watching.